The Find X comes in this dark bluish, purplish colored box. We've got the regular stuff to the sides. This is a review unit, thus it didn't have any plastic seal on it. Let's now pull on the tab to the side and see what's inside. First up, we have the phone itself. Let's get it out of the plastic cover. Whoa, almost dropped it there. The curved glass back on the Find X is super slippery. Looks gorgeous though. Anyway, keeping the phone aside, let's see what else we have inside the box. A box within a box, eh? Inside, we have some information booklets and a SIM ejector pin. Since we don't really have the space for a headphone jack, or at least that's what Oppo says, Oppo has bundled in a Type-C to 3.5mm adapter as well. Digging further in, we have some headphones. Well, I'm glad that Oppo has included some Type-C earphones with the Find X. I wish they'd been the in-ear type. These kind of look similar to the older Apple EarPods. We also have a Type-C charging cable bundled in. Last but not least, we have the flash charge adapter. Let's now boot the phone up for the first time, and while it does so, let's take a look around the device. If you like minimalistic phones, you'd absolutely love the Find X. You have an uninterrupted glass slab to the back, and the way it curves towards the edges, it kind of makes the phone shimmer with this purplish hue. It looks very cool indeed. The back itself is left pretty clean with just the Oppo and Find X branding on it. So where are the rear cameras, you ask? Well, here they are. I like how Oppo has managed to integrate the slider into the design of the phone. The silver mirror finish for the slide out to the top fits perfectly with the design language of the phone, but having a sliding top does mean that Oppo had to relocate a few things and do away with some as well. So let's take a look around the edges. On top, we have a microphone. The left houses the volume rockers and the right has the power button. The bottom is kind of crowded. We've got the speaker, microphone, Type-C port and a dual SIM tray all stashed in here. No place for the headphone jack or a micro SD card slot. The front, well, it's all screen. It's 6.42 inches of beautiful Full HD Plus AMOLED goodness. The bezels are minimum and there is no notch up top, which I'm sure a lot of you will appreciate. Oppo says that the screen to body ratio is a jaw-dropping 93.8% and I'm inclined to take their word for it. Everything about this screen looks absolutely fabulous. The colors are great, we have inky blacks and even brightness levels are good. We have a tiny slit up top for the in-call speaker. The camera and the other sensors, well, they pop right up when you need them to. Oh, and I know